A statue to honor Benjamin Franklin will be placed outside the entrance to the Liberty Bell Exhibit Hall in Philadelphia. The designers decide that a smaller, similar version will be placed on a table inside the building. The dimensions of the life-sized statue will be 4 times those of the smaller statue. Planners expect to need 1.5 pints of paint to coat the small statue. They also know that the small statue will weigh 14 pounds. So first thing we need to do is we need to figure out how much paint will be needed to paint the life-size statue. So you have to ask yourself, okay, is this talking about surface area or volume? Well, since if we're painting something, right, if you think of painting a house, you're painting the outside of the house, so that means that we are dealing with surface area. Okay, so for surface area, we know that the small statue uses 1.5 pints of paint. We also know that the dimensions of the life-size statue are going to be 4 times those of the smaller. So it means that our linear scale factor, which we let be r, is 4. So the 1.5 pints of paint represents the surface area of the small statue. And so to figure out the new surface area, remember we take the original surface area, which is 1.5, and then we multiply that by our linear scale factor squared, so 4 squared. So we have 1.5 times 16, which gives us 24 pints of paint. All right, so then for part B, if the small statue is made of the same material as the enlarged statue, then its weight will change just as the volume changes as the statue is enlarged. How much will the life-size statue weigh? Okay, so the problem pretty much tells us, right, we're dealing with volume. So we want to figure out how much the life-size statue weighs. Well, we already know that the small statue from the problem, so small statue, weighs 14 pounds. And we still know that our linear scale factor is 4. Okay, so in order for us to find how much the life-size statue is going to weigh, right, so our new weight, we take our original weight, which is 14, and then we multiply that by our zoom factor cubed. So we get 896 pounds. And that is how much the new statue is going to weigh.